Yes, bro, what device?
How's it for buddy?
You alright, Peter?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm alright, bro, can't complain. Can I do for you?
Listen, man, I need a favor, man.
What's up?
I need an emergency favor for my cousin's Matric and she need an Escort.
Wait,
Yeah, beautiful car.
when's this happening, bro?
Saturday, sir. Saturday.
That's coming Saturday.
Yes.
Do you know what time?
Yes, about 3 or 4.
I'm assuming from Mitchell's Plain to where?
We're gonna go from Mitchell's Plain Wesley to Kirstenbosch, please.
Okay, no stress, bro, I'll sort it out.
Okay, thank you, sir, so much.
Shabba.
Okay, bye.